This is a real story, and it's still happening. In 2016, U.S. diplomats in Havana began reporting something strange. A sudden noise, high-pitched, focused, then pain. Victims described pressure in their skulls, ringing ears, vertigo. Some collapsed, others suffered memory loss. Doctors were confused. Scans showed brain changes, but no visible injuries, no obvious weapon. The government called it stress, then mass hysteria, then quietly evacuated staff. Similar cases appeared worldwide: China, Europe, Washington, D.C. Investigators suspected directed energy, microwaves, a weapon that leaves no trace. It was named Havana Syndrome, officially unexplained. But those affected all agree on one thing: whatever hit them was aimed.